Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? We're at Ferne Clyffe State Park outside of Goreville, Illinois. We're here at the Happy Hollow Trail. We're just gonna do a little bit of it. We got done camping and just kind of hike a little bit, and then you know, I might do this a little more later, but it'll be fun. Let's check it out. So you've already been on a little bit of this trail.
Yeah, I had to stop because I didn't know where the trail went. They have like a horse trail down there, but like that's it.
Horse trail?
Yeah. And I don't know if it like merges or something, but
Yeah, I think there's maybe part of the river to river trail mixes with this. I know hiking with Sean's done this one a few times, and he knows a lot more details about it. This is my first time being on this. I'm a Happy Hollow Trail virgin. Ha!
then there's a little campsite thing up here.
Campsite?
Well, like not like a campsite, but there's just like a clearing.
Ah, cool.
Where like the little clearing thing is.
Wildlife management area. Hunting by registration.
It's just like, it's just a small little clearing.
Ah,
Someone could probably camp here.
maybe.
Thought it looked cool.
Yeah. It's like a nice little drop off down the ways.
Yeah.
Did you check it out yet, or?
I didn't go check out the drop off.
Let's go see.
Wait, Dad, it's one of those berry things. I don't know what they are.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like some enchanted egg. It's an alien.
I have no idea what it is.
Yeah,
but
I don't know.
found it.
Looks almost like a fungus or something, because
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
it's attached to a leaf. We've seen those out in our forests before.
I have no idea what they are.
You ever broken one open?
Yeah, there was nothing inside.
Oh.
It was just like a shell.
Thousands of baby spiders coming out.
No. But I have one entrapped in a gum container at home.
Ooh, looks like there's a ledge right here coming up.
Yeah.
Or a partial one.
Do you hear the water?
Water or wind?
Can't really be wind. There's no trees. There's no like leaves to rustle.
Huh. That'd be interesting. Check it out. You climbed up there earlier? I got my cheap hiking shoes on today. I don't know how much grip I've got.
I've got Converse.
Ah. I might be able to do it. But old people break, young people bounce.
Unless you get thrown off a cliff or out of an airplane. In that case, it's just...
If you were a computer, that's probably what you would do when you're like waiting on a task.
Yeah.
So look at this. It's a little
moss.
Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
Ooh. Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Actually looks a little bit like a cedar or something.
Yep.
Or arborvitae, whatever they call them. This is neat. There's a lot of rocks and lichen and moss and all sorts of stuff. I liken a lichen.
Looks like a tiny forest.
A tiny forest?
Yeah. I imagine this is what Canada looks like.
I don't know. We'll have to ask some Canadians.
I liken you a lot.
Oh, I liken you too. A fun little trail so far. Ooh, I see water up ahead. That's awesome. Wish I had my water filter with me.
Yeah.
Well, in my bag I do, but I got that back in the truck.
I was like over there and I was like, I should probably go back soon. But then I saw that there's water, so that's why I was like...
Yeah, you're a water baby. So we're down here by this equestrian bridle trail, and it says primitive camping up from whence we came. So I guess folks that are on part of the maybe the river to river trail come through here. They come up to the campsite and end up camping out. I've seen a few people do that already when we've been here camping before. Awesome bluffage up there.
Yeah.
So we're back here on the trail a little bit. So they got a sign for horse camping.
This is the trail. That's like the trail that me and my friend went on.
Ah. Did that go like behind all the campsites and stuff?
Yeah, it does. It's
okay.
really cool.
Yeah, it's got the little blue eye on there for river to river. And down here, there's a little area, I guess, where you could cross the creek and go across. Might be able to get across somewhere.
With my shoes getting all wet. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Get some boots. Go to Chuck's Boots and get some boots.
Ew. I don't like sand.
So there's the area to cross. The water's a little bit deeper than normal because it's been raining for a couple days down here. Got a good flow. But with the air temperature being like in the 30s, I don't know if I really want to get my feet wet in that. I could take my shoes off and my socks off and just trudge across and try to dry them, but I don't know. It'd be a little cold. So I think today. Probably cross that in the summertime when it's warmer, more inviting. But
maybe have a friend with me.
yeah, we might just go back down this way and just go along some of this equestrian trail, kind of along the creek, and see what we see.
Oh.
Just kind of meandering along the stream here. More of this equestrian trail. Does it stay on this side or does it go across?
I don't know.
I'm thinking it might go across, but I don't know. Yeah, there's no more signage out here. This, my friends, is why you bring extra shoes, socks, and boots when you camp in the winter, because you never know if you'll get wet feet. And I guess I'll find out today if I get wet feet. I got spare shoes and socks in the car.
Oh no, I don't. So yeah, we're a little blind. There is an equestrian sign over there. But I don't want to get...
Hey!
Fluffy, feel the ground.
Fluffy?
Yes, feel it. It's like petting a cat. With like dreadlocks or something.
A little
but
bit.
Still.
It's more like a dog. It's a little rougher. Like
Ruffles.
a short-haired dog.
Yeah! A curly hair dog.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So we're just kind of meandering around a little bit and see if there's anywhere we can cross safely over yonder. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know if we can, but we shall see. It's a nice little ravine. Bunch of rocks, more rocks. And a river.
Yeah.
Kind of wild, these little indentations in the rock here.
Oh, that's nice.
Almost look like somebody carved those in.
Yeah.
Maybe they did it one time to break the rock apart. I have no idea.
Oh, die.
What if I fall and don't die?
Oh, I said don't fall, don't die.
Ah,
I don't either.
don't fall and die.
Don't fall or
Oh shit. It's very beautiful out here, but we don't have the right footwear to cross the creek. I don't really want to take my shoes and socks off. Try to find a seat and then put them back on and hope that they dry. So, summertime, late spring, when the weather's warmer and the water's a lot warmer, probably come out here and do all this. Do the full 8 mile, take that M&M. So you disappointed?
I think that this is good enough. Just the river. Or the creek over there.
I hear somebody walking down a trail. I got fellow hikers. So we're kind of coming back up to the trail from whence we came. Goes back to the campsites.
Out of breath.
I don't need to run up it.
Well, it's so you wouldn't like worry about me.
Well, you know why you were worrying? Because I was thinking about you. Your ears probably got red, or your nose itched. Something like that, right? The dad alarm went off.
No, the dad alarm is
That?
Yeah.
You gonna hug a tree?
I'm gonna hug a rock.
You gonna hug a rock?
It's about that. It's about that one. You say
Oh, hugamania. When we're driving down south, we go past this tiny little town of Coulterville, and there's a guy outside town, Elroy Huggins, Septic Sucking Services, and he's got this really crafty yard. There's probably like 100 some odd bicycles out there, just like lined up in paths, and he's got this real old, like 1940s, early 50s style car. I think it's from the 40s, and it's got like racing numbers and it says Hugamania. So that's kind of a neat thing. There's a propane tank up the road from there. It's painted up like a snowman. It's got like a tank on top of another. So all the little folk stuff that you see when you're out traveling in the sticks, and oh, this is nice. I'm going uphill though. Next time we need to do this, going up this hill with about 25 to 30 pounds of crap in a backpack. No, that's where you train. You train for the AT. What'd you find there?
Mushroom.
Mushroom?
Boop. I'd touch it, but you know.
Yeah, it looked almost like a bone from a distance.
Yeah.
Dare to eat it? No.
Oh, bet. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna actually have a tree.
Oh, that tree loves you back. Well, I see Bruce the moose up in the distance.
Yep.
So we're getting close to the parking lot and the end of the trail. Boy, that was a short 8 miles, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pinecone. Ah! Elderly abuse. Holy cow, these things are pointy, man. Whew. Those aren't your garden variety pine cones from home.
Those are military grade, jeez.
Holy cow.
Ah! Mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. The little dome kind.
Shrooms.
Shrooms. Awesome.
Well, everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. And we'll definitely have to hit this trail up again, do the full thing when the weather warms up.
Look forward to that.
Yep. So, as always, thanks for watching. Catch you again in the outdoors.
Peace.
Heston was here.
Yeah.
I like guns. Moses, Pharaoh.
One of those like commercials. Like, oh,
This
the
is-
cheese! Wow.
The franchise pizza from Wiffle Boys. Get
Excellent.
a whiff of Wiffle Boys. This is really good. It's got chicken, a ranchero sauce, chunks of tomato, a couple types of cheese. It's good.
Bacon.
And bacon. Sacred bacon.